One of the biggest problems we have as travelers is trying to exchange the money. If you bring a separate credit card or a debit card, a spare card, you can load up a prepaid card if you want, or just bring a credit card of any kind. You can use the ATMs. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is and how simple it is to just get your cash out of the exchanges, avoid the airport exchanges, and save yourself some money. The process is exactly the same as it is in the United States, except when you begin, the machine will ask you, do you want to continue in English or in Spanish? Now this part is a little bit tricky because these denominations are actually in pesos. So when I first saw this as $600, I was like, nah, I don't need $600, but it's actually 600 mil pesos. You don't really have to be too concerned about breaking it down because the most you can get is the 600 pesos, which right now with the current exchange rate is about $165.